Hello balloon artists. Today I'm going to show you how to make a large balloon bunny. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the East Midlands, and I'm here helping you take your balloon art to the next level. For your balloon bunny, you're going to need a 160. So we're not going to use all of this, so the length of tail is not critical. And to begin with, I want you to make a small 2-finger loop. So just twist off a loop and take that knot and nozzle and just pass that through, okay? And then we're going to make a slightly larger loop of about 3 to 4 fingers, okay? And then just find that knot and nozzle and then just wrap that around both, and that's going to secure those loops so they don't come undone, okay? So that's what you've got, and that's our first little hand, okay? Now you can set this aside. For this design, you're going to need one of the Betalatex bear heads. Here in the UK, we know them as Sempertex. So it's the same company, same balloon. And whilst you're here, remember to subscribe to my channel. I publish new videos every Tuesday, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I hope you're going to enjoy the video and that you'll give the video a thumbs up. To inflate your big bear balloon, make sure that the tip of your hand pump is inserted into one of the chambers, one of the earlobes, okay? And we inflate that first and then swap over and make sure the tip of your pump is in the next lobe, okay? And then we inflate from there. Okay, so we go all the way. Let out a little bit of air because I want this head to be a little bit soft, and then just tie off, okay? Take your bear body and just twist off a bubble here, okay? Hang on to that with your little finger and your ring finger, and then take the arm that we've made, just give that a bit of a whittle to give it some shaping, and twist off a bubble. So I quite like long arms on this particular design. And then take that and just wrap it around the neck a couple of times. So that's just going to secure the head shape, okay? And then make another arm to match this one. Okay, and then we want to make another small loop of 2 to 3 fingers, followed by a larger loop, okay? Just twist that round. And then we can break the rest off and just tie that in a knot. And just give each arm a bit of shaping. Okay, so this is what you've got at the moment. So take your head and just pull that up a little bit, pull the knot up, and you just want to push a little bit of air upwards, and that's just going to give a bit more of an egg-shaped head. Take another 160, I'm using lime green, and I've got a 3-finger tail or so, and then just tie those 2 ends together. Okay, and trim off the excess. Take your 160, fold it in half, pinch the end here and just take that top bubble and twist it, and that just splits that 160 in half, and then just bring 2 loops together, and then you've got a pair of ears. Fold these in half and just give a bit of a whittle. Again, do the same on the other side. Take your rabbit's head and just take that nozzle and wrap it round the ears a few times. Okay, so this is what you've got at the moment. Next, take a 160 in a contrasting colour, and you just want to twist off a small bubble of a couple of fingers, and then make 3 small loop twists. So these are about 3 fingers. You've got your 3 small loops, twist those round, and then take that knot and just turn that little bubble into a pinch twist, okay? Give the rest of your balloon a bit of a squeeze, take your rabbit's head and just wrap that loosely around the ears, the base of the ears. Okay, so we want it to fit loosely, we don't want it to grip the ears too tightly, and then just twist that 160 into that cluster of loops. You can break the rest off. And tie a knot. Okay, and just wrap that end into that cluster there. Okay, so your bow is just going to hold your rabbit's ears up a little bit. Take a little bit of 160 and twist off a small bubble, and then make 2 small loop twists of 2 to 3 fingers. Okay. Take that first bubble and just turn that into a pinch twist. Okay, so you've got your little bow there. And take your rabbit's body and just wrap that bow into the neck area. And break off the end, and then just arrange the ears and the arms as you want them to sit. And all we need to do now is draw the face. Take a Sharpie, I'm using a chisel tip, and I draw 2 large circles. And then I colour those in. Take a pink Sharpie and draw 2 pink circles for the cheeks and colour those in. Take a fine point Sharpie, and I like to just draw a few eyelashes. And then for the nose, I just draw a little heart, some little dots and some whiskers. And last of all, using my white paint pen, I draw a largish white circle followed by a smaller circle, and I do that in each eye. The fun thing about this design particularly is having fun with the colours of the different bear head balloons. I hope you've enjoyed this design. Please do give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I publish new videos every Tuesday, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you again in the next video.